Okay, hi everyone. This is my multimedia video analysis project. With this app, you can paste any YouTube video link and chat with the video like you are talking to it. First, is get the full transcript and break the video into description. With time span, you can click on any section and directly jump to that part of the video. Then you can ask a question in normal language like what is this video about, or tell me the steps mentioned at 5 minutes. The app finds the answer and so the exact time in the video so you can watch it right there. You can also describe what's in the video use visually, like saying show me where the cat appears, and the app finds that clip. I have used Python with Fast API for the backend, React with TypeScript for the front end, and OpenAI Gemini for chat and embedding. Thank you. And yeah, this is my code for that. Like this is backend. Use this. This is my main PI file. Okay. So first, request bodies front end. Second to this, and this is the transcript chunks. This is for question, like ask question and get LLM response. This is step one transcript chunking. You this is for YouTube link, content and start time. This is index generate GPG response. Okay, now this is hyper.py. This is for API. And in backend this is my embedding hyper.py. And now we are going to front end. This is my paste index.cs is here. React app, setup test, package JSON. This is my written file. Yep. Thank you for watching.